Aloha guys. This morning I am going to talk you through how to construct terraced garden beds on a slope that's in a way that's beginner friendly and cheap. So terraced garden beds create, of course, level step-like planting areas on a slope. And so to begin, you got to survey the slope and mark the layout. Then you're going to construct leveled anchored rectangular frames starting from the bottom of the hill to manage drainage and prevent erosion. So the first step, mark your terrace locations. Divide the slope into sections. Use mason strings for this, stakes. We got rebar batter boards here to ensure that the beds are square. Excavate the area to make sure it's ready. A 45-degree angle is ideal for banks without retaining walls, but for constructed fully vertical walls, use treated timber, railway ties, or stone. All right, and then for timber beds, dig a shallow trench at the lowest point of the slope at the first lowest bed. Set your materials into the trench, ensure that they are perfectly level. Use the rebar to stake the timber beds into the ground to prevent movement, specifically using 12-inch pieces for stability. Okay, if you want to add additional block layers for stability, you can. We haven't. And then once the structure is built, fill the beds in with nutrient-rich soil. Also, make sure you're close to irrigation, where flexible lines for easy watering can be done. The key tips here: drainage. Allow the design to allow water to flow from higher beds to lower ones. 2, accessibility. Keep the beds roughly 3 feet wide with 1.5 foot paths between them to make it easy to reach plants without stepping in the bed. And then also stagger the corners of each layer for structural stability. All right, and then you can see what it looks like. You're taking unusable slope and turning it into a nice area for some planting beds. So the rebar, the boards, and then also we've got it tarped because we're not going to plant it out for a while. So after it's tarped and all the weeds are dead, we will put in the nutrient-rich soil and see what we can do here. All right, and so there you go. That is how to construct easy terraced garden beds, beginner-friendly and cheap. If you want to see more videos along these lines, check us out on Eat and Be Eaten Hawaii, and we'll see you next time. Aloha.